Have you ever turned on your headlights and thought, are they on? And you had to wait for the reflection in another vehicle to know if you actually had your headlights on or not? Well, hopefully today we're going to solve that problem with brighter and better LED headlights. Today's project is to change out the stock headlights with these new LED bulbs. And these are high performance LEDs with aircraft aluminum housing. It's a fanless design. And we've got two sets, one for the high beam and one for the low beam. And the RAM Promaster takes the same size for both the high beam and the low beam. This should be a quick, easy swap out. So let's get to it and we'll see how it works out. The easiest way to change the bulbs is to just simply remove this entire assembly. So to do that, the first thing you need to do is remove this little plastic piece, and there's simply two thumb screws up here to remove. And this just pops off. It's got two little connectors right here that snap in and snap out. Then up top here is a 10 millimeter that you need to remove. And it's pretty long. Then you need to remove this trim piece right here. This trim piece is held in by one Phillips type screw. Then this should just come off. It has two clips right here. It was really tough to get this to snap off. Felt like I was going to break it. Down on the lower section, there are two more 10 millimeter bolts that need to come out. And all these bolts are the same size. Then this assembly should pull straight out. Yep. There it goes. And there's a little pin right here that snaps in right up top. Then on the top, there are the plastic covers that you have to take off. Just take a little quarter turn, pop those off, and let's take a look inside. Inside you can see the bulb, and there's a little pull down right here. If you pull that down, the bulb will come right out. Right here, little tab that you can pull down. So this bulb should just come out just like that. And I got the new LED bulb, and it just simply plugs in right there. Push it all the way in, and then plug it back into the housing. Hey, I just noticed that these two tabs right here have little rails that they just slides right in and snaps in. So you just line those up, push it in, and that's it. And then we have to do this one over here. Same thing, just snap and pull. Take that bulb out. Put the new one in. Before you put it back together, don't forget to put these caps back on. Really, very easy. There's a little rust on this bolt, so I'm going to put a little anti-seize on it. Put that one up there. Then I'm going to start all these by hand before I tighten them up. And that's all there is to it. I'm going to put this trim piece back on. And this trim piece up here. Put my thumb screws back in. And then put back this lower trim piece, snapping these in first. Line that up. And snap those in. And then the rest should line up. And it does. And we put this one screw in. And that's it. Now I'm going to do the other side. On this bottom trim piece, after you remove that screw, if you push outward, it makes it easier to snap those two clips off. And then you've just got the clips over here. And it feels like you're going to break it, but you're not. But pushed outward, and then these two clips will release much easier. And simply push the little clip down, pull it out. Move that one. And put this one in. Line it up on those two rails. Just give it a push. Take this one out. And put this one in. While we're here, I just wanted to point out that there is a place for an Allen wrench right here to make adjustments for aiming the headlights. The Allen wrench would go right through the top here and fit right in there. They got a nice little cup here to help guide the Allen wrench right into the right spot.